Very good morning, students. Now see, as we have seen part 1, part 2 of the chapter 2, the tsunami. Okay, now I am going to start part 3, as we have seen how destructive these waves are. Okay, we have already seen these type of things and how the geography lesson saved Tilly, her family and other members. They were at the hotel. Okay, now see, I am going to start part 3 and listen it very carefully. Look at the picture of the boy and his dog and try to describe the things that you see. Using just words and phrases, either the teacher or one of the students can write down the words and the phrases on the blackboard. Okay, now this is your homework for today. You have to look at this picture and his dog. This is boy and his dog is there in the lap of that boy, and you have to look at the picture and describe it minimum 8 to 9 lines. Okay, so this is your homework for today. Now see what happened next. Before the giant waves slammed into the coast in India and Sri Lanka, wild and domestic animals seemed to know what was about to happen. Before the giant waves, we already know that these waves are giant. These waves are very destructive for humans, for natural property, our natural assets, man-made assets. Okay, and they slam into the coast of India and Sri Lanka. Wild and domestic animals seemed to know what was about to happen. This is the criteria about it. Is said that by our ancestors, domestic animals and wild animals, they come to know somewhere if something is going wrongly. They definitely come to know, and whenever there are the circumstances of natural things, the animals definitely come to know. They fled to safety, and what they had done, they fled to safety. You know, fled, F-L-E-D, fled, it means ran away, past tense of flee, fled. According to the eyewitness accounts, elephants screamed and ran for higher ground. Dogs refused to go outdoors. Flamingos abandoned their low-lying breeding areas. And zoo animals rushed into their shelters and could not be enticed to come back out. Now see this paragraph. They fled to safety. According to the eyewitness accounts, elephants screamed and ran for a higher ground. Dogs refused to go outdoors. Okay, dog refused. They did not want to go outdoor. And they ran away at a safety place. At a higher ground, at a safety place, and flamingos abandoned their low-lying breeding areas. And zoo animals rushed into their shelters and could not be enticed to come back out. Enticed, it means entitled. They are not ready to come back. Okay, whenever their master will call them, but they are not ready. They refuse to come back. It is because it is said that I also don't know how 100% it is sure, but it is always said that animals has that sense. They got the caution, they got that indications of the natural calamity. Okay, like earthquake, then your volcano, tsunami. They got some senses before the natural calamities. Many people believe that animals possess a sixth sense and know when the earth is going to shake. Many people believe that animals possess a sixth sense. For example, in between us also, so many people have that sixth sense. I know, and when that incident will happen, है ना? Are you getting my point? Observe in your family also. If one of your father's friend came at your house and he said, I am going through this problem, and that third person, he has been created so many problems for me, okay, but you alert me, in the past you alert me. वो आपके पापा को बोलते हैं कि आपने मुझे अलर्ट किया था, आपको वो सिक्स सेंस है कि ये इंसान आपको प्रॉब्लम करेगा, है ना, वहाँ जाओ मत, वो प्रॉब्लम, इट इज़ मीन्स सिक्स सेंस, जो फ्यूचर में होने वाला है वो हम थोड़ा इंडिकेट कर देते हैं. इट इज़ कॉल्ड अ सिक्स सेंस. ओके, सो मेनी पीपल ऑल्सो हैव एंड एनिमल्स हैव दिस स्ट्रॉन्ग सिक्स सेंस and know when the earth is going to shake. Okay, they come to know when the earth is going to shake. It means they know when the earthquake will happen. Okay, some experts believe that animals more acute hearing helps them to hear or feel the earth's vibration. The vibrations underneath the earth, down the earth, they come to know. Some experts believe that animals' more acute hearing helps them to hear or feel the earth's vibration. They can sense an approaching disaster long before humans realize what is going on. Are you getting my point here? They got some vibrations from the earth surface, from the earth crust. They can sense an approaching disaster long before humans रियलाइज व्हाट्स गोइंग ऑन. जब तक इंसान के ध्यान में भी नहीं आता कि क्या होने वाला है, उसके काफ़ी टाइम पहले, जस्ट बिफोर, दे गॉट द सेंस व्हाट इज गोइंग टू हैपन. ओके, स्टिल हियर वी हैव फिनिश. इफ in these two paragraphs you have some doubts, you can ask me very openly. Okay, now see, we cannot be sure whether animals have a sixth sense or not. As I told you, I as a human being, I also can't believe 100% whether animal really has this type of sense. I also not sure, and we cannot sure whether animals have sixth sense or not. But fact is that giant waves that rolled through the Indian Ocean killed more than 150 lakh people in a dozen countries every year. If the tsunami came and they rolled through the Indian Ocean, then ocean killed more than 150 lakh people in a dozen countries. But not many animals have been reported dead. But this is proved that many human beings reported or they killed in this type of disasters. But not animals have been reported dead in this type of disaster. And this is the reason people believe that animals have a sixth sense of any natural calamity or any type of disaster, so they went away, they ran away at a safer place. Okay, now see what happened next. Along India's Cuddalore coast, this is name of the coast, where thousands of people perished, buffaloes, goats, dogs were found unharmed. The Yala National Park in Sri Lanka is home to a variety of animals including elephants, leopards and 130 species of birds. Okay, 60 visitors were washed away from the Patangala beach inside the park. Now listen this very carefully. These are the calculation. See, along India's Cuddalore coast, whereas thousands of people perish buffaloes. Thousands of people are there. They perish buffaloes. They keep buffaloes as a pet. Goats are there. Dogs are there. they found unharmed. If we are calculating their strength is in thousands, but all thousands are unharmed. It means due to volcano, due to tsunami, due to earthquake, उनको कुछ भी हुआ नहीं था. ह्यूमंस हज़ारों मारे गए थे उसमें. Thousands of humans were killed, but not a single animal was harmed. They were unharmed. Are you getting my point here? The Yala National Park in Sri Lanka is home to a variety of animals including elephants, leopards and 130 species of birds. 60 visitors were washed away from Patangala beach inside the park. 130 species of birds are there, but 60 visitors, human beings, okay, 60 visitors washed away from the beach, but there were so many leopards, there were so many elephants and 130 species of birds. They all were safe. Okay, now see next. But no animal carcasses were found. You know carcasses, it means their dead bodies. Carcasses, you have to write this word in your, this word carcasses. Okay, you have to write this word in your notebook and write the meaning also. Carcasses, it means dead animals, है ना, body of the dead animal. Except for 2 water buffaloes. Only 2 water buffaloes, it means the buffaloes, they were sitting in the water, they were found dead because they were not able to run. About an hour before the tsunami hit, people at Yala National Park and observed 3 elephants running away from the Patangala beach. A Sri Lankan gentleman who lives on the coast near Galle said his 2 dogs would not go for their daily run on the beach. They are usually excited to go on this outing, but they were not go on that day. He said, but on that day they refused to go. The dogs were alert. They were come to know before tsunami something is going to differently happen, something bad will be happen, so they refused to go out of the house and most probably saved his life, and the animals saved his life. Okay, now here our chapter has been finished and you have to complete working with the text in your textbook. Okay, and take care of you.